This is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explain this hyperbola problem. If E and E1 be the eccentricities of a hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola, then 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equals to 1. Here E1, E and E1 be the hyperbola, then find conjugate hyperbola is then 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equals to 1. Okay, first of all, here write equation of a hyperbola. Equation of a hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. And equation of conjugate hyperbola is and equation of equation of a conjugate hyperbola is y square by b square minus x square by a square equals to 1. Here equals to root of a square plus b square by a square and E1 equals to root of a square plus b square by b square. Okay, now we are going to substitute here 1 by e square plus 1 by E1 square equals to 1 by e square means root of here e square means root of a square plus b square by a square. So here e value this is, and whole square means here square root gets cancels, then we'll get it here a square plus b square by a square plus here also E1 square means square root gets cancels, a square plus b square by b square. Okay, next write here this is a square plus b square by a square and plus a square plus b square by b square. Now here 1 by a square plus b square by a square means write a square by a square plus b square. Next that plus 1 by a square plus b square by b square will get to write b square by a square plus b square. Okay, here taking the LCM means a square plus b square. Take the LCM means a square plus b square. Numerator means a square plus b square gets cancels, that equals to 1. Therefore 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square equals to 1. Okay, next now we are going to solve this problem. That is, this is also example problem of the hyperbola. I mean, if the eccentricity of hyperbola is 5 by 4, then find the conjugate hyperbola. Here given that E equals to 5 by 4. This is eccentricity. Next that 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square. Here substitute the formula means 1 by a square plus here conjugate hyperbola means 1 by a square plus 1 by e1 square equals to 1. Now here e equals to 5 by 4. Then now substitute here e means 5 by 4. 1 by a square means 16 by 25. 16 by 25 plus 1 by e1 square equals to 1. 1 by e1 square equals to 1 minus 16 by 25. 25 minus 16 by 25, that is 1 by e1 square equals to 9 by 25. Next, e1 square equals to 25 by 9. That implies e1 equals to 5 by 3. e1 equals to 5 by 3. Okay, this is e1. This is E. Now, the answer is E1 equals to 5 by 3. Here given that E eccentricity E. Okay, thank you.